Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I'm super excited. Today we are in Dallas, Texas. We are at the Warwick Melrose hotel property, and I am so excited to share this room with you. I also get to share another room style with you, which I will link to from this video, but right now we are in a Deluxe King room, and as you can see, right when you walk in, this kind of long hallway type area where you have a coffee bar, a desk you can work at, and then come around the corner into this great room. And it's just so spacious. This, as I mentioned, is a Deluxe King. This room is also offered in a Deluxe Double. And I think they're quite similar, but as you can see, this room and hotel has kind of a fun luxury vibe to it. We are on the second floor in this room, so not a great view, and plus I'm filming this at night, but as I mentioned, the other room I will show you has a fantastic view, so there's a lot of options here at this property. But again, overall, just a great luxury feel. This feels kind of homey, but still fancy, if that makes any sense. Got closet space back here with plenty of room for hanging clothes, an ironing board. Just a really cool layout. One thing that I really did love about these rooms is that they do have the little snack bar options with a clearly laid out menu and pricing so that you know what you're getting when you decide to partake. You will need to get a key from the front desk for your refrigerator that is fully stocked, but I also appreciated that the prices were really good. Like a Diet Coke was $3, which was really fair to me. So anyway, we'll take a look at the bathroom here. Love the bathrooms, super bright, very spacious, really clean. Some great products. Again, just really great feel to this property. It just has that extra little luxury touch to it. I love the makeup mirror built into the big mirror. That is awesome. And then overall, just really great space here. This hotel property is in a great area as well. And again, I'll walk you around to show you the different things that I thought was really fun in the hotel property. The ceiling fan was amazing. It does get hot in Dallas, so that came in really handy. But overall, just super impressed with this property and the staff. Another thing that I really loved that I will show you in a minute is the Landmark restaurant downstairs. You can also dine in room. They had a great menu for that. I also like that they include the service charge tip in your overall bill, and they also have some great breakfast options. So that's always nice, having it right there on property, but also the fact that the food was affordable and really good. We'll talk more about that restaurant in a bit or in the other video. Now I'm going to take you out to the back side of the property and walk you in so you can get a look at what this looks like. And just a reminder, guys, I do have another video I'm posting about this property because I had so much content to share, so you'll want to check that out as well. But right now, I'm going to walk you around the lobby and main floor area of this hotel property because it is magnificent. It is so beautiful and luxurious here, yet at the same time, such a great place to meet up with friends and business associates. You'll see all these little sitting areas and nooks and crannies that make it perfect for that. Then you have the library bar right here, which is just hopping at night with live music and piano and saxophone. Really, really cool. Free coffee bar area right here every morning. And then, of course, the Landmark Hotel restaurant, which I told you about. We'll touch on that in the other video, but right now I want to take you out to this pool area so you can see this. Another great addition to this hotel property. It gets hot here in Dallas, so you'll really appreciate this. And again, another reason I think this is great for family travel as well as business travel. Just such a great property. I love the way it's laid out. And lastly, I want to show you the conference area because I was actually here for a conference, and it's the perfect property for that. Really great area. All the details down below. Make sure to see my other video. Again, this is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.